your shop, and we've noticed on quite a few of your machines, you've now got Filtermist units.
Yep.
What was that? Where did that decision come from?
I think it's just, we've got a young team and we want to look after the team. You know, when you open the machine, you get quite a bit of steam sometimes, but with the Filtermist units, you don't get any at all.
Now, obviously, you don't just work here on your own. You've got quite, like I said, a young staff, or you've got quite a few staff members.
Yeah.
So have any of them commented on the difference on working here compared to other places they worked before without them?
Oh yeah, 100%, 100%. We've worked at another engineering company that didn't have any at all, and you see all the walls start to go like yellow and that sort of thing.
And obviously, it's nice that your feet aren't sticking to the floor.
No.
So you can tell that none of the residue is coming out of the machine. Now, obviously, it's becoming more and more health and safety forward.
Yeah.
So have you had health and safety in? Are they impressed that you're running these machines?
We haven't had them in yet, but I think when they do come in, they'll see that we've got things in place to, you know.
You're ready for them.
Yeah, we're ready for them.
Because let's be honest, they can come at any time.
Yeah.
And it's always I remember we had them at one point, it's always a scary moment when they knock on the door. So to be ready for them, and obviously you've got them on the lathes and the mills.
Yeah.
And they work on every machine?
They work on every machine, yeah. Yeah, even on our router, we've got some sort of filter system which sucks all the dust up as well, so.
And obviously with routers, that makes a lot of mess.
A lot of mess, yeah.
Just to finish it off, they've been a good investment, and obviously for the air quality, cleaning up's a lot easier. They've been a worthy.
Yeah, 100%, 100%.